Welcome to HTML and CSS tutorial series. In previous tutorial we had added heading and menu. Okay. Now in this tutorial we'll start with left panel and main content. So first of all we will shift this unordered list to the center of our page. Okay. So this is our unordered list which is inside the menu class. So quickly switch to CSS. Here we'll apply dot menu space unordered list and I want spacing. So it is facing only from the left side, so we'll set margin as we have learned box model. So we know if you want spacing for any element we require margin to be set. So I'm using margin left to 400 pixel. So now our menu set it to the center of the page. Now we'll add a left panel. Now for the left panel, class name is left panel. So I will copy the name left panel class, and here I would like to set the CSS dot menu, sorry it's left panel. So I will set background color. For a background color I would like to take help of htmlcolorcodes.com website. So I will choose this color for a background, copy, background color is this, height is suppose 350 pixel and width is suppose 150 pixel. Okay. Now if you check the output, we will be having this left panel with 150 width and 350 height. Okay, if you want to change based on your requirement you can change it. For example, you want to change in the width. How to check how much width that I want on the page? So quickly you can open the developer tool. In the developer tool you can select your element. First of all you need to ensure that this is selected, this arrow, then select your element. So at the right hand side you will see your class dot left panel. Inside it you have applied background color, height and width. So you want to change height, so select this, press up key, so it will change your height, it will modify it. So you can ensure how much width that you want. Suppose you want, okay, this 222 width is good for my page, so you can simply use 222 for a width. So instead of 150 I will using 222. Okay. If you save the changes you will get this output. So in this way you can set your width as well based on your requirement. Okay. Now next is I would like to add main content. So same, I will copy the main content class, switch to the CSS dot main content. For this I want to set the background color. So again choose a background color. So I'll choose some different color so that we can understand the difference. So that here I will take a very light gray color. So I'll copy this. Background color is light gray. If you save the changes, if you check the output, you will see there is no difference in the output. Okay. So let me add height and width. So height will be the same. Whatever the height of left panel, it should be the height of main content as well. Now if you check, the area is highlighted with this, right? Now for our understanding, for a time being, I'm using this background color so that you can understand where we are. Okay, save the changes. So if you check, this is our main content, but we want to arrange our main content to at this particular position. Okay, that means what, we need to shift from left side and we need to shift to the top. What you will do, you will obviously apply margin. So you want to switch from 0th margin to some extent. So width of this panel is 222. So same width or same left panel that you need to take. So here I will use main content, margin left should be 222 pixel. So if you save the changes you will see the difference. Okay. Now I want to go up. So right now I will say margin top, suppose minus 350 pixel, because we want to go up. If it is in plus it goes down. Okay. Now if you check, we have this particular thing, so it is overlapping. So we can set margin top for the both as well. So for the main content, I will set margin top to the 20 pixel. Same margin top I will copy and I will apply for the left panel as well. Now if you check, now again we need to manage our margin top value, as we are adding -20 for the margin top here. Quickly remove this, just check it out, it works. Okay, we need to manage it for left panel only. It's automatically take care for this because we are already applied margin top for this, so it is managed accordingly. So we have applied margin top for the left panel, so whatever the overlapping that been removed. Okay, at the end now we want to apply footer. Now for footer we are using footer class, so I'll copy this. Okay, then here I will say dot footer. Right now again I will copy the background, so in this case I will take this as a background color. Copy, background color will be this. We will set height. Height is suppose 30 pixel. Width should be auto. Auto means 100% full width. Okay, now if you check the output, we will see this. Now height is very less, we can increase it. Instead of 30 we would like to set 60 pixels. Okay, now it's good. So in this way we have managed left panel, main content and the footer area. We just need to add content inside the section, inside the div and inside the footer. So quickly add content inside the left panel. So for that, here now I will be using unordered list. So I will copy the previous unordered list and I will paste it inside the section. I'll just change the label as categories: furniture, then electronics. Next one will be suppose camera that I'm using, and last one will be suppose mobile category. Okay, save the changes. If you check, this is the output. Okay, now we do not want bullets, as we have removed bullets for unordered list which is inside the menu panel. We want to apply for the left panel as well. So quickly go for dot left dash panel. Inside it we will be having unordered list and li. For that, list style type is none. Okay, save the changes. So we will be having this. So we want spacing from the top side, so we can add padding. We can say padding top, and I will set it to 20 pixel. So it will be take a padding equally from top for each and every element, so it looks good. If you want one more spacing, you can add it. Now I will add footer part first, then in the next tutorial I will start with the main content. So here for footer, right now I would like to add copyright information. So here I will say ampersand copy. This is a copyright symbol. I'll say all rights reserved to Anik. Okay, and year is suppose 2020. Save this. If you check the output, this will be the text. Now we want font size as well as center align. We can simple go to the footer class. We will say text align to the center. Save the changes. If you check, this is the way. Then you can say font size will be 20 pixel. Okay, and font dash weight will be bold. Save the changes. So we will be having this output. So in the next tutorial we will start with main content. Thank you so much for watching this video.